Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Rich Like Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. This channel is about business, finance, stock, investing, real estate, how to make more money. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe our channel to know how to make more money. Today our topic is about how to get free stocks by opening a brokerage account. So once you go to YouTube, you click on the bell, then select all so that you do not miss any videos, because some videos are so important about money and stimulus check, whatever, that is very time sensitive. You don't want to miss out. So make sure you click on it. And there will be a link, two links below or above the videos in descriptions or comments. So make sure you click on the links to get 2 free stocks. So once you click on the link, you're gonna see this page, and if you deposit $100 or more, you could get second stock up to 1,400. That's a lot. So make sure you click on the link to get a free stock, open an account. Then they're gonna ask you for your information, your names, your gender, your date of birth, social security number, just to verify your identity. And if you're from US, you are able to open this account. Or if you're from China, they might ask for ID, the front and the back. Cool. So why do I like this account? Usually when you open an account at the major brokerage firms, they are protected by the SIPC. So basically, SIPC insures customer up to 500,000 in securities. If it's cash, 250,000. So what does it mean? It means that if you ever have stocks and equities with this company and they go bankrupt, this SIPC organization is gonna reimburse you for that. So if you want to know more details, you go click on sipc.com.org do more details, because for the latest information and also for more accurate information. And so it doesn't mean that if you buy some stocks and you don't know what you are doing and you lose your money, they're not gonna pay you. But it's only for in case this company go bankrupt. You have some protections. That's what it means. And it is transfer fees reimbursement. This company also gonna give you transfer fees up to 100 if your initial transfer is $2,000 more. And it's zero commissions, zero minimum deposit. But to get free stocks up to 1,400, you need to deposit $100, which you can withdraw anytime. So this is great options, and you can also get 24/7 online help. If you need any help, you can call them. They are available 24 hours, 7 days a week. Do you have any questions? If you have any question, make sure you comment below. The links are below above in the description or in the comment sections. I'm gonna post the links over there. Make sure you subscribe, share this video so that you can share free stocks with your friends. And good news, I got a course coming out, how to get your dream jobs in 30 days. If you are looking for a job and you want to get a job in 30 days, make sure you sign up for the course. If you want to make more money, you sign up for the course. The link is going to be below above the video. And thank you for watching. So I want to give you rewards. So you can get free audibles. The link is going to be below. Free stars. The link is going to be below or above in the description and comments. So best credit cards, if you are paying more than $15 for your cell phone plan, I got a great plan for you. Unlimited talking, unlimited testing, unlimited data. It might slow down after some amount of data, but it's unlimited. If you have any question, make sure you email me on Facebook or Instagram. You can also send me email address for the important updates regarding business, finance, stock, investing, real estate, anything related to financial education. Thank you for watching until the end. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.